Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Adventure SG. So today we are going to do another interesting word problem on ratios. Let's start with reading the question first. The perimeter of a rectangle is 72 cm. The ratio of its length to its breadth is 3:1. Find its area. So basically we are given the perimeter of the rectangle, and we also know what is the ratio of its length and its breadth. So our job is to find its area. Okay, so what we have here is a rectangle. So let's draw a rectangle quickly. So let's say this is my rectangle. Okay, and what's the ratio of its length and breadth? So all of us, I hope all of you know that this is the length, the longer side of the rectangle. This is the length, and this one is the breadth of the rectangle. Right now, what ratio we are given? We are given the ratio of length to its breadth is 3:1. That means if the length is, our length is 3 units and our breadth is 1 unit. Okay, so let me write it. So this is our length, so basically this is 3 units, this is breadth, this is 1 unit. Now what else we have? We also know the perimeter of the rectangle, right, which is 72 cm. Now what is perimeter? Right, Rahul, what is perimeter? So basically perimeter is the distance around a two-dimensional shape. Right, so in simple words, it is the total length of all the sides of a two-dimensional figure. In this case it's a rectangle, right? So perimeter of rectangle is the total length of both its length and its breadth. So let me show it here, let me highlight it. So this is the length, breadth, again one more length, and this is the breadth. So the total distance, the total length of all the sides is the perimeter. Okay, now let's find how many, what's the total length of the rectangle in terms of unit. Okay, so we can say that perimeter of rectangle is equal to how much in terms of units? See, it's 3 unit, right? The length 3 unit plus the breadth 1 unit. And what do you think, how much is this? This is, I can see the opposite side of the rectangle are equal, right? So this length will be also 3 unit and this breadth will be also 1 unit, right? So we can say that, okay, just add another 3 unit and 1 unit here. So that will give you 8 units, right? So the total perimeter of the rectangle in terms of unit is 8 unit. And from the question we know that the perimeter of rectangle is how much? Is 72 cm, right? So from here we can say that, okay, 8 unit is equal to, our 8 unit is equal to 72. So let's write it. So how about 1 unit? So 1 unit will be 72 divided by 8. That will give you 9. So our 1 unit is 9 cm. Okay, now since we know 1 unit, right, so we can, from this we can calculate the length and the breadth, right? So breadth is 1 unit itself, right? So you can say, okay, this is the breadth, right? So this is the breadth, and how about the length? Okay, the length is 3 unit. So we can find it. What's 3 unit? 3 unit will be 3 times 9, that will be equal to 27, right? So that's the length of the rectangle. Now our question is find its area. That means what's the area of the rectangle, right? So what is the formula for the area of the rectangle? This you must have studied in primary 4, right? So the area of rectangle, what's the formula? Formula is length times breadth, right? Length times breadth. So it's always a good practice to write the formula, right? Some of the students I have seen, they just straight away write whatever is the length times whatever is the breadth, but it's always good to write the formula. Okay, so the length is 27, and how about the breadth? It's 9, right? So the area of rectangle will be 27 times 9, and that will give you 243. Okay, 243. So let's write our answer quickly. Okay, so the area of rectangle is how much? Is 243, and we must write the unit. So what will be the unit? It will be cm square because it's area, right? So the area of the rectangle is 243 cm square. So I hope you like the solution. Keep watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.